In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send photo in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare your images, upload them smoothly, prompt for the results you want, make quick edits on the canvas, and manage your data settings with confidence. Start by confirming your file is compatible and sensible in size. ChatGPT supports PNG, JPG, JPEG, WebP, and GIF. Each individual upload can be up to 512 megabyte, which is generous, but keeping files reasonably sized will speed things up. Also think about privacy. Avoid sharing images that reveal sensitive personal details like clear passport pages, active credit cards, or confidential company documents, especially on standard consumer accounts. On the desktop web interface, you have two simple ways to upload. The first is via the menu next to the prompt bar. Look at the input field where you usually type, then click the plus icon just to its left. Choose Add Photos and Files, browse to your image, and open it. The second way is even faster. Drag the file from your computer straight onto the chat window and let go. You'll see a brief progress indicator, then a thumbnail appears above your prompt so you know it's attached. Once the image is in, be explicit about what you want ChatGPT to do. Skip vague lines like, "Look at this." Instead, give clear direction. For UI or code work, you might say, "Analyze the attached website screenshot, act as a senior front-end engineer, and reverse engineer this visual layout into clean, responsive HTML and Tailwind CSS code. Ensure the component structure matches the image alignment precisely." For text extraction, try act as an expert data entry specialist. Extract all text, tabular data, and handwritten notes visible in this uploaded image document. Format the final output strictly inside an editable markdown table, ensuring no numbers or labels are skipped or summarized. If you're refining a generated image or adjusting a layout, click the image in your thread to open full screen preview. Use the in-painting or selection tool, the wander brush icon in the upper right, to paint over the exact area you'd like to change. Then type your instruction, like change this background color to a matte minimalist dark gray, and submit to rebuild just that region. For sequences, storyboards, multi-page screens, or angles, add images one at a time in the same prompt so thumbnails stack. This helps the model follow continuity across files. And if you don't want your uploads used to improve future public models, go to your profile in the bottom left, open settings, select data controls, and toggle off improve the model for everyone before you begin. And that's it. Combining quick drag and drop actions with precise computer vision prompts turns ChatGPT into a powerful visual design co-pilot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you